Hey, what's up guys, it's Conrado here with another video. So today we're going to be doing spark plug wires for my 2000 Pathfinder. These are the part numbers I'm using. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is I would suggest to take a picture of the old spark plug wires, the engine bay, so you can see where they go to, and that way you don't mistakenly put the spark plug wire in the wrong spot. So I went ahead and took a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it one at a time. So let's do number one. So this is number one. So I'll go ahead and take that off and then pull it out of the spark. And when you pull it out, make sure you hold it from the boot and not tug from the wire. Because if you tug it from the wire, it can possibly slip out. It's just better if you hold it from the boot and pull. So here I have my spark plug wire set. So I'm just going to do them one at a time. So I just pulled number one. And I'm going to go ahead and put the new number one wire on. Okay, so here's the number one going to the distributor. So pop that one on there. And here's the number one going on to the spark plug. And then when you put it in, you'll feel a slight snap. And that's how you know it's all the way in. Alright, so let's move on to number two. Alright, so now I have number two on. When you put it on, you want to make sure the angle is correct with this. This one, you're not going to feel that click, but you can check if it is in there with a flashlight by shining a flashlight through this hole. Next we'll do number three, which is here. So I already have the three on the distributor, and then just go ahead and push it in, and then it'll feel a click on this side. All right, now let's do let's do four. So number four, just make sure the angle is right with this barb coming off the intake, and it'll go right in. Again, on the even side, you're not going to have any clicks. On the odd side, you will have clicks when putting it into the spark plug. So now we'll do a number five, which is here. Now this one broke off inside the distributor. So I was able to get it out. I was like just pulling enough of it out with a needle nose plier, and then using channel locks just because channel locks have a better grip. Alright, so now I put number five in. Make sure to save these so you can use them for the other wires. I would say the hardest one last, so let's do number six. Okay, so I have number six on. This will probably be the hardest one. Okay, did this on a hot engine. I suggest if you are going to do this and you're able to, let the engine cool or do it before you start it. But so just put a rag so your hand doesn't get burned. Be careful not to get burned. So let's do number six. Okay, so now we are all done. When you get this one, you kind of want to put it down and you kind of have to angle it towards you a little bit, and then you'll feel it click in. This one actually does click in. And I went ahead and rerouted all my wires. So the reason I replaced the wires is when I would stop at a stoplight, the idle would become very rough, and it was kind of embarrassing. So I went ahead and replaced these. Again, you can get these on Amazon, and I think I spent about $90 on it. And you basically don't need any tools at all. You can do everything. All you need is the part. On my particular distributor, it actually has the numbers printed on the top, so that's kind of helpful. Alright, so let's see how it runs now. You want to go ahead and run it after the repair so you can make sure that there's no misfires, that all the spark plug wires are on correctly, and you're good to go. Just take it on the block, make sure everything feels great. Alright, thanks for watching.